Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about stock market update, and we will figure out is it bull market or bear market, what's going on with the stock market world. We are using to use weekly, monthly time frame. That's the goal of the today review. Let's move to VBull. If you want to learn more about VBull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let's start from let me briefly mention about my my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line it's a MA 200, purple line it's MA 100, blue line it's MA 50, red line yellow line it's MA 20, red line MA 10, and green line MA 5. Green dots bullish reversal signal, red dots bearish reversal signal. MACD indicator green, red line signal line, same RSI. Awesome oscillator green, it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because of the emotions involved. And if you trust your indicators do not have emotions, you will be successful. Let's start it. And we are going to talk about monthly, weekly, quarterly time frames. I don't use it for trading, I just monitor the market trend direction. I use only daily and 4 hours time frame for entry and exit position. That's all, very simple. And my style, when all indicators align in the same direction, it is entry or exit point. Let's start it. DXY. Let's say weekly. Okay, it's a bearish. Weekly, bearish, all indicators for USA dollar. Monthly, it is bearish for USA for all dollars. For all index, for USA dollar, for all indicators bearish for monthly time frame. For quarterly time frame, same. Actually, for quarterly it is still bullish. You see the last bar was very far from 20. What it does right now, it's trying to connect back to 20. Bullish trend on all indicators on quarterly time frame only. On monthly time frame bearish, like I said, on weekly time frame is bearish, and on weekly time frame it has bullish divergences. Multiple bullish divergences on all indicators. It wants to go bullish on weekly time frame. Let's see daily what's going on. Daily, it is still bearish. You see, because how it works, when all bars below MA20, below yellow line, it is bearish trend, and MA20 downtrend, it is bearish trend direction. We need bars and moving averages move above MA5 and 10, move above 20. It will be bullish trend. So far it is bearish trend. Okay, let's move to Qs. Let's start monthly time frame. Monthly time frame for Qs. This is major trend line, the blue line. It's a major trend line. Let me maximize it. It started 14 months ago. It's a bullish trend, MA5 with bullish crossover over 10. Bullish trend on monthly time frame for Qs. MACD still below signal line, but it's ready for bullish crossover. Same with RSI. Below signal line, but it's ready for bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator green. Bullish reversal signals all green for last 4 months. It's kind of mixed mode. 2 indicators bullish, 2 indicators bearish. Mixed mode. Quarterly, it's a different story, right? Quarterly, it is still bearish. Previous quarter, it did touch the MA20, it did bounce from MA20. It bounced from it very strong. MA20 was very strong support. But this quarter is still, we are in the middle of the quarter. It touched MA10. We'll see, will it be rejected from MA10 or it will continue a bull run. So far, bearish trend on all indicators. on quarterly time frame. Quarterly time frame, bearish trend. On monthly and weekly, bullish. Let's move to SPX. SPX, S&P 500. Let's start weekly. Bullish trend weekly, monthly. MA5 did bullish crossover, it touched MA20 and MA20 can be resistant. MACD still bearish, RSI bearish, awesome oscillator green bullish. Mix mode also. On monthly time frame, let's move to quarterly. Quarterly, it is bearish trend direction on all indicators. Bearish trend direction. Let's check weeks. Weeks quarterly still bearish. Monthly weeks bearish. Weekly weeks bearish. It is bullish for SPX. Dow Jones quarterly. Dow Jones quarterly, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It's a bearish signal, bearish trend. MACD did bearish crossover over 10, bearish. Heikanaichi, RSI did bearish crossover, bearish. All indicators, also slightly bearish. All indicators bearish on quarterly time frame. Let's check monthly. Monthly for Dow Jones. Monthly it is, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. It is bullish on monthly time frame, bullish reversal signal on the two indicators bullish. MACD is still bearish, RSI is still bearish, awesome oscillator still bearish. Two indicators bullish, three indicators bearish. Interesting. On monthly time frame. Let's see weekly. Weekly it is bullish. Let's check VXD volatility index. Weekly bearish, monthly bearish, and quarterly also bearish. Let's move to IWM. IWM Russell 2000. It's the weakest index. It's a bearish on weekly time frame. Look at it. All moving averages below 200. It is bearish territory, very weak and bearish trend. Monthly time frame. Similar story. All indicators bearish on all time frames, bearish on monthly time frame. The only it's positive is they're still, the price action bars still above and all moving averages still above 200, but trend is bearish on monthly. And let's see quarterly. Quarterly it's a bearish on all indicators on all time frames. It touched MA20 for last, look at it, 5 months. It dancing around MA20. MA20 strong resistance, but still trend still bearish. It can bounce from 20, but so far it is still bearish. Let's move to Apple. Apple actually, because we cannot see. VBull is not good because it did splits, and VBull for some reason doesn't correct that. It's monthly it is bullish. Apple the strongest. Apple is very strong, very bullish on monthly, on quarterly, on weekly. Apple is very bullish. Tesla is bearish. Tesla is very bearish on all time frames. Alibaba also bearish on weekly time frame on all indicators. And all moving averages below 200, it is bearish trend. Let's move to monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, same story, all moving averages bearish. Actually, on monthly time frame, it's bullish, mixed mode, right? The MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It is still bearish. I'm sorry, it's still bearish because MA20 downtrend and bars below 20. It's a bearish trend, but MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, and it's trying to build bullish reversal signal. You see the 4 and the 5 indicators, bullish reversal signal already on. It wants to move bullish. So far, it's still fighting between bear and bull, but it is in a positive trend. MACD green bullish, RSI still bearish, Awesome Slater bullish. Like 4 indicators bullish, 1 indicator bearish. Quarterly time frame for BABA. Quarterly time frame, yeah, it's not enough data and still bearish trend. That's all for my review. Let me do summary. Like I said, Qs, SPX and Dow Jones, they're strong indexes. On a monthly time frame, they're trying to stay bullish on monthly and weekly time frame. Quarterly, they all bearish. For IWM different case. It is bearish on all time frames. It's bearish on weekly, monthly, and quarterly. It is not good for Russell 2000. Russell 2000 is a 2000 USA companies, and it shows health of the USA market. That's all. And yeah, dollar is still kind of weak. That's all from my review. Let's move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we're using paper trading account. Please read it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. It works for any securities. I publish daily, weekly, and monthly updates. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.